So why do they still do it if it doesn't work? Generations of students have been taught it's a good thing. Experimenting on animals and publishing the results is the way scientists build their careers. Now the whole thing is like a huge juggernaut, extremely difficult to stop. But one of the main reasons for vivisection is money. A huge industry of researchers, cage manufacturers, animal suppliers, feed producers, and instrument makers profit from it. Pharmaceutical companies do it because it's the easiest way to get approval from regulators for new products. And they do it because there are huge profits to be made from drugs. They've built fortunes on animal experiments. Why would they want to change? There are over 18,000 medicines on the market. When one company produces a successful drug, other companies try to copy it. It's got nothing to do with need. Instead of killer diseases such as cancer disappearing, they're increasing. Something's wrong.
If you're a senior scientist and you've spent your life, your professional life, putting electrodes in animals' brains, and somebody like me comes along and says, now I want you to stop doing that and learn all about brain scanning and study human beings, well, that person is going to say, but hang on a minute, I'm an expert in what I do. You're asking me to go back to the classroom.
There's a whole movement to keep animal experimenting alive, I think, because there are a lot of livings that depend on that for a start. There are a lot of academic careers that depend on it. There is a lot of vested interest in terms of direction that people have promoted animal experiments, and to try to say now that that might be wrong would be a very painful decision to make.
The drug companies obviously are there to make money, and to make money they have to introduce new drugs.
Universities, pharmaceutical companies, drug suppliers, people who sell the actual mice and rats and dogs to the laboratories, many, many people profit from animal experimentation.